Hi, this is Peter Stewart with Cyviz. We're here at InfoComm 2025 in Orlando. Cyviz is a global technology company that provides next-level collaboration solutions for high-impact spaces, including innovation centers, experience centers, boardrooms, and operations centers. It's an exciting time to be here at the show with all the new technologies like AI accelerating what's possible in meeting spaces to provide a better user experience and an equitable experience for people in the meeting room as well as remote. Here at the show for 2025, we're talking about our significantly expanded Partnership and Alliances program for integrators and consultants, where you take Cyviz core technology and you pair it with best of breed technologies for that complete solution. So let's take a quick look at the Cyviz core technology that we're showing here. So at the heart of Cyviz, you have our configurable AV room control system. This is full featured and lets you control video sources, audio systems, video conferencing. So here on the video wall, we're seeing our configurable control system. And if I go here, it shows all the possible video sources. So as I bring up a video source, you'll see it pop up on the video wall. And then very unique to us is the ability to move and resize the content sources dynamically. And I can just keep adding different video sources here, and you'll see it fills up the available space. And then I can move and resize this any way I like. And if there's a particular way that I like the presets, it's complete self-service and it's configurable versus custom programmed. So here I can just go to the different presets that I have. So here's one that I created with 4. I hit use preset and you can see the content just pop up. So it's high performance, it's really easy to use, and again, it's configurable instead of custom programmed. Now, one of the other things that's really important these days, of course, is video conferencing, online meetings, and having deep integration with that and having it be super easy to use. So Microsoft is a key co-innovation partner with Cyviz. One of the unique things we've done is enable a Microsoft Team Room system, the native user interface, to come up on the Cyviz Easy Controller. And you're able to pair this with any of the MTR certified devices. So here you have the native UI, you can jump into a meeting or join a call right here on the interface, and this could be from HP, Poly, Logitech, Lenovo, and then up on the video wall, I'll bring up as a video source the Teams meeting. And then I get to choose and resize where I would like that on the video wall or the different displays. So this works with HP Poly, Lenovo, Logitech, Shure, and the other MTR certified devices. Now, one other element in all of this, of course, is remote monitoring and remote management. So we've evolved that platform, which was traditionally on-prem, and it can now be in a private cloud or a multi-tenant cloud for our partners and customers. And it's very powerful. So I'll just pop in here and bring up our interface for that. And being security conscious, I'll make sure I log in to this. And then here we have the Cyviz Easy Server. And I'll go back to the home page real quick. And this is a way of seeing, in our case, all the Cyviz experience centers globally, and we intentionally unplug some things so you can see the different status levels. But if I pop in, let's say, from Orlando to Atlanta, I can take full secure remote control of a system there. So here, appropriately named for Atlanta is Peachtree, and I get all kinds of telemetry data on that, and we'll postpone the updates. And here, you can see on the right-hand side, this is the interface in Atlanta, securely accessed through the cloud. I can do remote support, remote training, remote upgrades, and I can go down to a very granular level and interact with every piece of AV and IT device in the room, as well as the rack. So one of the things we're making available for partners now is the ability to have this as a service with recurring revenues and managed services, as well as go beyond AV to any IT network device and service. So a really exciting time for our core technology and for our partnerships program. Last thing I'll mention is you can have software applications on top of that. So this year we have Aleo in our booth, and it's an interactive touch application. And what we've done there is under room control, where you could have Apple TVs, TV tuners. We've now added the ability to control Aleo on the interface. So if I go here and I say I want to be in Aleo mode, and I go back to control room, I could now change the content dynamically, and this is really good in terms of touch interactive experiences with people both in the room as well as a remote in the same digital canvas. So it's a software application that's a video source to the Cyviz controlled room. And we have a separate video telling you even more about that. So signing off from Orlando and InfoComm 2025, I couldn't be more excited about what's going on in our industry and making our new Cyviz Core Technology Upgraded Partner Program available. Find out more at cyviz.com. Thanks very much.